Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City. And I blog and vlog in Domesticated Me. Today I'm doing another one of my free stuff YouTubers get videos. I'm going to be unboxing a lot of beauty products, but something that I'm really excited about. If you are a new or expecting mom, you will want to watch. So let's go ahead and get started. First box I'm going to open up is from Influenster. I haven't opened up an Influencer box in a long time, so really excited to feature them again. Influencer, if you don't know, is a platform where you sign up, you do reviews, and eventually the more points you get for the more reviews you do, you start getting free stuff sent to you. You don't have to be an influencer, an Instagrammer, or a YouTuber. You just need to do a lot of reviews, and they cover everything from beauty to home products. So I'm going to link to them below. If you want to sign up, go ahead and sign up. But again, you don't have to be some, famous person to be on there. You just do a lot of reviews, and then they start sending you more products for you to review. So this is one of those boxes. This one, they're calling it the Cherish Box, I believe. I'm not sure. It says be loud, be proud, be an influencer. So let's open this up. Yes. Hashtag Cherish Box. That is what they're calling this. First thing I see here is a coupon for Target for Mott's juices. Mott's Sensibles 100% juices. I have had their apple juices before. I know that I like them, so I'm probably going to use that this weekend when I go to Target. There is some odd stuff in here. Okay, that's what it looks like in there. What is this thing? This is called a Way Rad rollerblades made with Rub. Oh, this is for doggies. How cute is this? Are any of you pet owners? I don't own a dog, but I know lots of people who do, so I'm gonna definitely wrap this up for a friend of mine. This is super cute. Oh yeah, the dog's gonna have a lot of fun with this. The next product I'm gonna pull out is from Pantene Pro V, and it is their In the Shower Foam Conditioner. This is Daily Moisture Renewal Conditioner for fine, flat hair. It provides light moisture with zero weight. Gotta check that out. Ooh, a sample for a Vera Wang Embrace perfume. Oh, top to that. This is Spoil Your Dog with Monthly Toys and Treats, Bark Box. Okay, so this goes with this. This is a product that is often featured, or a product that has been featured in Bark Boxes, and Bark Boxes are basically like your, classic subscription boxes, but they're geared towards dogs. So it comes with treats and toys, so that's really cute. Oh, speaking of Mott, I didn't even realize there was a juice in here. They provided me a juice. Oh my god, I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna open this up right now. This is Mott's Sensibles Apple Raspberry. 100% real juice, 30% less sugar than apple juice. I'm gonna try this right now. Oh yeah, that's yummy. Love that. Yeah, it's not overly sweet, which I don't really enjoy. That's yummy. Then we have, something for the hubby. This is a Dove Men Plus Care Dry Spray. This is Stain Defense Cool, Non-Irritant, 48 hours of powerful protection. So there you go, an antiperspirant for my husband. It says anti-yellow stains and anti-white marks. So the next box is from my friends at Shea Moisture, but I was told that this box isn't actually for me. It is for my baby Clara. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, it's a beautiful box. Look at that. From Shea Moisture again. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Shea Moisture Baby. Oh my gosh, 100% virgin coconut oil, hydrate and nourish for all skin types. Our special blend of certified organic raw shea butter, virgin coconut oil, and Myrrh butter softens, hydrates, and nourishes baby's delicate skin. So here are the products from that line. Oh my gosh. Thank you to my wonderful, lovely friend at Shea Moisture. You guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is their 100% virgin coconut oil baby wash and shampoo with sweet pea and maru. Again, this hydrates and nourishes delicate skin. No parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oils. Oh my gosh. No animal testing. I've been a fan of Shea Moisture for a long time, so I'm so excited to try out these baby products. This is the lotion from the line. This is the baby oil rub. Oh, so when I give Clara her little baby massages, which I try to do pretty much every time we give her a little bath, I give her a little nice massage. So this is the oil for that. You guys, this is so cool. I've never seen this before. This is their 100% virgin coconut oil, coconut milk bath powder with Acacia Senegal. It softens and restores skin. Oh man, and I love the packaging. Pamper your skin with a soothing and moisturizing milk bath. Our nourishing blend of coconut milk powder, coconut oil, and organic shea butter deeply moisturizes and softens skin. Restore your skin and treat your senses with an aroma-rich coconut bath. Oh my gosh, I need to try this right away. Here's another one of their baby products. This is the Raw Shea Chamomile and Argan Oil Baby All-Purpose Diaper Ointment with frankincense and myrrh. Oh my gosh, it calms and comforts normal to dry skin. I had no idea that Shea Moisture made baby ointment, so I'm really excited to try that out. And then last but not least, this is Shea Moisture's Marshmallow Root and Blueberries Kids 2-in-1 Drama-Free Shampoo and Conditioner with flaxseed and avocado oils. Awesome. I'm going to use this for when I'm washing Catalina's hair. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love this. So I'm really excited to try this. So I have the baby stuff, I have this for Catalina, and then I have this for myself. But really, it's for when I'm taking baths with my girls, because when I mean, every time I try to take a bath, I throw in some products and bubbles. I wind up with all 2 of them in my bathtub. But I really enjoy that. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this with my girls. So thank you again. Thank you again, Shea Moisture. Thanks so much to my friend at Shea Moisture for sending me all this. I'm so excited to try all of this out. This next product is all about my baby. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I've been having an issue with milk production. I went on 2 trips and then Clara got sick, and the 3 factors have caused my milk to really, I have very, very, very small milk production. It's really sad. I don't want to give up. I still want to produce milk for as long as I can, at least for the first full year. Clara just turned 8 months, so I want to at least till she makes it to her first birthday. I want to produce milk and make milk for her. So I've been like researching and doing what I can possible to make sure that my milk production doesn't stop and to try to help my milk production grow. And so this is one of those companies that has quite a good reputation about helping mothers, aiding in that. This is from Milkful. They were so generous enough to send me this box. Milkful makes gourmet lactation bars. So they sell on Amazon. That's where I first saw them. I'm going to link to them below so you can check them out. But they were so generous enough to send me a variety box. They make lactation oat bars, a wholesome milk boosting snack for nursing mommies. It's dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, and wheat-free. I'm just like at my wit's end, so I'm really excited to try this out. And so here is the box. Here's a little fact sheet for them. And then the products are here. So they sent me 2 chocolate banana nut bars, 2 maple walnut bars, and then the last one is blueberry almond coconut bars. Yeah, I'm super excited and hopeful for these. Last but certainly not least, I have a box from Derma E. There's that Derma E packaging. Smile, you are beautiful. And they have sent me their Derma E Purifying Daily Detox Scrub with Activated Charcoal and their Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. I have tried this one for sure. I haven't tried the scrub, which I'm really excited about. My favorite Derma E product of all time that I just adore is their Microdermabrasion Scrub. I have it in my shower because I use it there at least twice a week, maybe 3 times a week sometimes. It depends on like what I'm doing throughout the week, but I definitely use it when I've done a day of filming and I have makeup that I need to scrub away. So I'm really excited to try this scrub. And then this mask is just amazing. Love, love, love all their products, but especially I love their masks. So really excited to try out this one because yeah, I really love this line. And that's everything that I have to share in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. It all really helps me out on YouTube. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. And as always, you guys know I love to hear from you. If you have any questions, comments, requests, let me know in the comment section below. Click right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.